ko alam kasi ganda. Art, Evangelista. Yeah.
Hello.
Art, sa mga naging boyfriend mo. Oo, bilang tayo naging showbiz na. Anong nakita mong kaibahan itong si Daniel Matsunaga?
Well, first and foremost, of course he's good looking, I must admit.
Oo naman. Labang lang ng konti mo sa akin.
Konti lang.
Konti lang.
But I guess it's something that I saw him reading the Bible, and it's like, wow, some kind of galing, someone so good
Sa
looking.
langit. Oo.
Reading the Bible, so that's really the one that caught my attention. Because when you're exposed to a lot of good-looking people in show business, sometimes you want to look, of course, deeper than that. And yeah, so that is number one. Probably number two is he's from a very simple family. They're just always happy, and malapit siya sa pamilya niya, and that's something that I treasure kasi for me, number one ang family. And if we love or we have the same values when it comes to family matters, well then, click kami dyan.
So, nabig mo na yung family niya?
Yes, they're all just lovely, super nice.
So, siya na, no?
I pray.
Sige, we will pray.
Let's wait. Pero ngayon wala pa. No, this is nothing.
Akala ko yan,
It's supposed
laki.
to be here.
Okay.
But it's here.
Oh. Malapit na ba? Masurpresa ka. Okay. Iwan mo na natin yung usapan na
Okay.
puso. Karir naman, mga kaibigan, heart. Bakit heart? Ang tunay mong pangalan ay Love Marie Payawan o Pauco. So, saan galing yung heart? Pero yung love, syempre eh. Kung walang heart, walang love. O, bakit?
Well, kasi my birthday is on Valentine's
Valentine's
Day.
Day.
Advance, thank you so much.
Okay.
And that's why nung time na nanganak na yung mom ko, it took her 2 days. She was in labor for 2 days. Yes.
Hindi mo ah.
Ayoko pa talaga the day of hearts. And it's me. Yes. My goodness. Super naman siya. Yeah. And so, nung nanganak na siya, my dad's like, so what do we call her? What? Love Marie? Heart? Heart na. Sige na, Heart. Love Marie. And she signed it, and it was seal. That's my mom. Yeah.
Ano, no?
Yeah.
Diba?
Wait.
Okay. Paano ka naman na-discover na? Paano ka nahatak na showbiz?
Well,
Ito ba talagang...
yes, because my family, they're into the restaurant business. Actually, this is how it started. My lolo used to produce films. It was called Everlasting Pictures.
Okay.
And then my lola used to cater, like, food, Filipino food. That eventually became Marie Fiesta, yeah. So, they were always exposed to artistas. So when we were growing up, we were also exposed to Dolphy, Babalu, everybody during Christmas parties. And they always say, I hope I get discovered, but I never did. And so, eventually I got discovered in the mall to do commercials, and then I did workshops in the opposite side of the station.
Sa kapitbahay.
Kapitbahay natin. And they got me, tumakas ako, nag-audition ako kasi I wasn't allowed. And when my dad found out, he said, sige, if you get in, fine, but if you don't, go back to school. He didn't know I got in. And then, tuloy na. Yeah.
Okay, and congratulations. Sino ba pinaka-idol mong artista?
Me, oh my gosh, Sharon Cuneta, Vilma Santos, Maricel Soriano. I love Maricel. And I just love, of course,
Sa foreign.
Natalie Portman, of course.
Okay.
Good talent.
Ganda.
Yeah.
Oh. Mabilis din naging pagsikat mo sa showbiz, pero sa lahat ng iyong tagumpay, ano naging kapalit nito? Meron ka bang pinagsisihan na pumasok ka sa showbiz?
Of course, sometimes you think, oh, I should have just done this or whatever, but I don't live with that you regret what you did. I don't regret anything I did because, to be frank, this was a few years ago. I don't think he would have liked me because I was a little bit of an airhead. In a way, an airhead would say that I wasn't, I didn't know anything. I wasn't very sheltered.
Okay.
I'm not
So, maging independent ka, di ba?
Independent ko no.
Okay.
Independent ko no, but I still rely on my family a lot. But I'm wiser now. So I guess, madami akong mga pinagdaanan that made me who I am today.
May lessons doon.
And there are lessons, yeah.
Okay, at meron ka ba bang role na hindi pa nagagampanan na gusto mong...
Gampanan?
Oo.
I really want to do martial arts or something like that. Yeah. It's something, different. Hindi lang yung puro iyak. Hindi pa lang kung kaya ko, pero pag nandun sa kaya.
Action. Baka natin yan. Kalahati pa lang yan ako sa kwentuhan, kasama si Miss Hart. pizza? Babalik po kami ha, may mga bukingan ba dito?
Yes.
So, maraming sabi, oh. Wow! Nasubukan mo na bang sumakay ng jeep?